Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking the goal and gathering assets. Make sure the landing page has one clear conversion action and one target audience. Once done, write a single benefit-driven headline and collect a hero image and logo that support it. You should also pull brand colors and 2 font sizes for hierarchy. These first steps prevent indecision later, so set a 30-60-minute cap to finalize choices and move into layout without over-polishing visual details. Now you build the page skeleton and fill it with prioritized content. Start with a wireframe that places hero, benefits, social proof, and a repeated CTA above the fold. As you design, apply visual hierarchy, larger type for the headline, stronger contrast for CTAs, and generous white space to guide the eye. Once those are in place, draft tight copy. A headline, subhead, 3 benefit bullets, and microcopy for forms. Make sure interactive elements have clear affordance and accessible labels. You finish by testing and optimizing. Deploy in a /B test for headline or CTA and confirm analytics capture conversions. Then refine performance. Compress images, minify assets, and lazy load non-essential media so the page loads fast. Make sure the layout is responsive and meets basic accessibility standards. Test keyboard navigation and color contrast. If conversion is low, the troubleshooting tip is to test one variable at a time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.